Hey everybody, we've got a little ukulele for you here today. This is number 357. It is a Myrtle pistachio and fir alto ukulele. So the scale length and the body size is between soprano and concert. It's a real comfortable size for me, and people have been enjoying it so far. The customer requested that I find some asymmetrical wood sets for her. She really liked another little Myrtle one I made with a similar style. So I like to pick out wood that might be cast off by other folks because it's too strange, and try to find a way to safely make it into a ukulele. Now sometimes I do cast off wood that is just not going to be suitable for an instrument, but I can tell when stuff is crazy looking but is still going to be structurally sound and sound good. And this Myrtle set is a great example. So really beautiful, huh? And I decided to do no binding on it, just for a simpler look, but the rope rosette, rope end graft. She wanted a multicolor fretboard, so there we go. This is a pistachio and fir ukulele neck made from old fir floorboards. Yeah, I really feel good about this one. It kind of uses some of that wabi-sabi aesthetic of featuring flaws and muted color palettes and keeping things as natural as possible. Yep, it's a good one. Ready to go.